Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks Part 4 of this. I thought about it last night after I made the video that I should have mentioned it. But in this case, I don't think it's going to help. He's saying that when he changes the number like to 9, or really any number, they're not in the center anymore. Well, that 1's not really in the center as far as it looks, but it is if you look at the center of the agent. Now, we can take the Shift tool, double click on it, and I guarantee that that rectangle is the same distance from each side, so it is in the center. We can kind of prove that right here, holding down the control button, and we're at 0.42, and we're at 0.42. So it's in the center, but his problem is, so when you write your numbers out the very first time, you need to have them center justified. But still, I don't think it's going to help us in this case. So I'm going to go to find and replace. So in short, I'm saying I don't really have an answer for you, because we're going to change them all to 2. And I took away all your green numbers so it wouldn't take so long. But if we look at the 2 now, it's not exactly in the center. You know, it's off that far. You know, if we take a rectangle and hold down the Shift key, and if we measure it now, holding down the control button so it's perpendicular, we're 0.38, and we're 0.35. So that isn't really going to help you in that case. So the reason I made the video is maybe somebody else chime in that knows more about this. You know, it's a shame because, well, we can just prove it right here, but you couldn't do it. He's got hundreds of numbers. If we select that and Shift select the cube that I made and go EC, well, did it move or did it not move? Let's try this. So this is not in the center, but we're going to put it off here. Got Shift select the cube. You go EC. You see, that did put it in the center. But there's really no way to do that with 100 numbers that you have on each page. I don't know. I'm kind of at a loss. I'm going to change the 2's to 9. And let's see how close they are to the center. You know, they're not far off. Maybe just the center justified will work. Let's just test that theory. Let's get rid of that number. Let's go ahead and get rid of all the numbers. And let's make some more boxes. And let's just start out with 1. Of course, I'm using a different font you have. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And you can put them in there individually and hit C. Now, my boxes are 1 inch apart, so I can go control. Need to change your duplicate distance to 0, 0. This time, I'm not going to change them. I'm just going to hit the plus key. The plus key will not do that. That only is a duplicate distance. So now we have 1's, but did I make them? No, see, their horizontal alignment is to the left. But let's just see if it makes a difference. Let's go and take a 2-point line. If you're going to do it right. Make sure it's on that node. And see, that's right in the middle. So now let's select them and go. We're going to change the 1 to a 4. See, it's that far off. So let's try this. I don't think it's going to help. Let's take our 1 And let's center justify it right here. Now hit the plus key and move it over. See, I need to change. I'm just going to go ahead and change your duplicate. You'll find that you'll be better off by doing that. I've never found a reason yet. And let's just see if this helps. All right, let's look at it. It's in the center. Let's find and replace the ones. Let's use 6. See, it's just that far off. I think it has, I don't know really why, and I know that's probably not good enough. Maybe somebody that watches the video will chime in next couple of days and give us some information or way to correct that. I don't really think there is. You can't possibly take the time to change the numbers you're working with. If you haven't watched part 3, he's working with 9 sheets or more with completely filled up. But that's the best I know right now. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.